Hi everyone. So today we will see the types of statistical tests, like the types that are taken into action when data scientists are solving problem or comparing their data set. Primarily, there are two types of tests, which is parametric and non-parametrics. So we will see their uses. Why do they use? There are just two different category of statistical tests used in data analysis, they and each of them has their own assumption and applications. So now let's look up into what test they include. So let's dive into it. Now the number one is t-test, and it is used to compare means between two groups. For example, like comparing the mean exam scores of two different teaching methods to see if one method leads to significantly higher scores. Now the second one is ANOVA, which is analysis of variance in sort, and it is used to compare mean across three or more groups. For example, testing whether there is a significant difference in average income levels among people with different level of education, for like high school diploma or bachelor degree or master degree. Now the third one is chi-square test. It is used to test independence between two categorical variables. For example, investigating the relationship between gender, male or female, and smoking status, smoker or non-smoker in a population, right? And there are two more tests, which is linear regression that we will study in machine learning, and logistic regression. So, but these three were the prominent. These are the parametric tests. So now moving into the non-parametric test, they include like Mann-Whitney U-test. It is used to compare two independent samples when the assumption of normally is violated. For example, comparing the median time taken to complete a task between two different software interfaces. Right? Now the two famous tests, which is Kruskal-Wallis test. It is used to compare three or more independent samples when the assumption of normality is violated. For example, testing whether there is a difference in pain relief among patients receiving different types of pain medication. And now the last one, which is Wilcoxon signed rank test. It is used to compare two related samples. For example, comparing the median response time before and after a training intervention to assess its effectiveness. So these were the tests of parametric and non-parametric that are taken in action when solving a problem. I hope you got it. So if you like the video and find the information helpful, kindly subscribe the channel and stay tuned for the next one. Thank you so much.